Intro. So there comes a time in your life where you really have to decide what's important, or what you have versus what you don't have, right? What am I talking about? Obviously, you can see the title. So the dilemma with this new RF 50 1.8, the cost comparable to what you may already have is almost completely parallel here. So what do I mean? All right, so this is the original Canon Nifty 50, the really cheap Nifty 50, right? I already have this lens. I already have an RF adapter. I want the new RF 50 1.8 really simply because it's new. I don't need it. Or I say I want it. I don't really want it. It was just something I looked at like, oh man, that's cool. And then you sit and think about it. It's literally the exact same thing. Essentially what they did was, if you look at this lens, right here is where the first element starts. They took it and they pushed it forward. Really, it's the exact same. There's still, if I remember, 6 elements. Yeah, there's 6 elements and 5 groups in here. Everything except the filter size. And I think the weight may be slightly different. But I mean, this thing, it weighs nothing. Can you hear that? It's plastic. Right? I got a new microphone, I'm testing it out too. Anyway, it's the exact same. There's really no reason to buy it. If you already have an EF/EFS to RF adapter, there's no reason to buy it. Unless you want to get rid of the adapter and go native, that would be the only reason. I mean, at that point, it's gonna depend on, hey, if you can sell your EF50 and your RF adapter, if that's something you're looking to get rid of as well, yeah, obvious upgrade. Currently, this is gonna do it for me. I mean, it's a shame. Like I said, I wanted to make this one short, really short, really nothing to it, just kind of discussing. What do you guys think about the new Canon RF 50 1.8 USM or STM, whatever it is, that new 50 mil? What do you guys think about it? Would you guys shell out the money for it or swap it out if you already have the original 50 or even the 50 1.4? Anyway, you guys let me know down below what your thoughts are on the new RF 50 mil. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.